y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
Okay, so that was cute. Yeah. All right, so we are back. This is our last cocktail of the Hood Wine selection.
Final countdown.
The final countdown. Okay, I don't even have a name for this, bro. Like, I just found it on YouTube. Like, there's literally no name. He did not name it, the person. Okay,
well,
so
let's call it Kiss of the Death.
Okay, we can call it that. So it is involving XXL Strawberry and Grapes. I was not able to find the Dragon Fruit Redbull, but I did find Tropical Redbull, which is the yellow edition, and Sunkist Strawberry Lemonade.
Kiss of the Death. I see.
So, there were no traditionally, recipes include proportions. However,
where this is the ghetto.
Ain't none of that. It's by eye and what your preference is. So, 1, 2, 3. Oh God. I mean, I ain't got no preference here. I'm not a Red Bull drinker.
What is that?
I did about 3 pauses there. And some Sunkist Strawberry Lemonade. Yeah, man. I don't know.
Wait, 3 part?
Whatever you prefer. I did about 3. And then we stirred it up.
Well, this is our last episode of 2024, so I'm just gonna team the tequila.
Okay, ain't nothing wrong with that. I mean, okay. I didn't even taste it, so here we go. Well, okay, this is better than that previous recipe. That I will say.
For sure.
You start off. I started off last time.
Okay. This one I will recommend. I like this one way better. I will give this I wouldn't buy this personally, but I mean, you have it laying around or somebody else made it for you, for sure, I will drink it. So I'm gonna give this about a 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give it a 6?
A 6.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think that's about what this is about a 6. It's actually the strawberry lemonade and the Red Bull, I think, dulled down the XXL Strawberries and Grapes, which is like super, super syrupy. And so that helps it a lot. I think that I'm with you in terms of giving a 6. It's not bad. It's not great. It's not bad, but I would drink it. If somebody handed it to me, I would probably not go back for like round 2.
Or buy the ingredients myself.
Yeah, other than we're trying something out. But it's not bad. And like I said, as far as recipes that are found on the good old internet, not bad. Not bad. What are your go-to recipes that you would try? To be clear, we're talking about wine-based cocktails here. Do you have any, like what are your favorite let us know. I'm just curious because I think when I think of cocktails, I don't necessarily gravitate to wine-based cocktails other than sangria. I mean, that's the main one, right? So I don't really like gravitate to recipes that are like wine-based.
Right.
Not to say anything against them, but I also understand in some part why folks do create the recipes based off of XXL or Stella Rosa, because these are high percentage alcohol wines. So it's almost like they are liquor in themselves.
Exactly.
So they're like, okay, I can just go ahead and, make me something real quick. And so, yeah, I don't know. Let us know what your go-to is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Ring that bell.
It is, the end of the year, and with all of this, we're getting high into, all right, so, we're getting towards the end of the year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. 2025 is a new year, means new opportunities, okay?
Because I did well this season.
She did not end up tore up on these last few segments. Amens and amens, okay? We would love to wish all of you a wonderful, happy new year and holiday season. We'll be starting things off in 2025 with new vigor, and we're gonna take some time off and get re-energized. But yeah, let us know what you are trying to see from us in 2025.
Field trips.
We do know that.
We gotta talk to Miss
and we are
Frizzle.
gonna actually do it this time.
Go
like,
on a
we're gonna
magic
plan
school
it.
bus.
Oh, okay. Hey. So we'll see you guys later. This one wasn't bad. Let us know what you think, though. Okay. We'll talk to you later. Cheers.